Here's our room, guys, 4232. This is pretty cool. Tap it on the wall and just push. And we are in.
Hello.
We need some light. You stick your key into here. And here's all your lights. Off is on the right, on is on the left. Switch all them on just for now. Right behind me is a mirror. Hello. We got a coffee station. And this is an ice bucket. Pretty cool. I like the decor, the marble. You'll see that throughout the room. I love it. Laura's just doing her last bits before we go. The bathroom. Amazing. Honestly, we were talking about this, weren't we, last night, and saying what we want for a house. We're currently buying a house. So we're going through colours. But yes, you've got a walk-in shower. And by the way, in the shower, there's a bath as well. In both of them, you have Balmain Paris conditioner, body wash, and shampoo, which we were amazed by.
And I now want it in the house.
And we now want it in the house. That is one of the things we want to take. But that is the shower, the toilet. We love this sink area, the marble. It's like a grey marble. Again, you got Balmain body lotion, which smells incredible. You've got your bath, which also comes with a shower head. And again, there's all the products on the wall. Towels are there, and you have a robe each. There's only one on the door, and then if you head out to this wardrobe area, you've got your iron and your ironing board. The other robe is right there. You've got slippers, coat hangers, like already. Perfect room. Huge mirror, literally massive, with plug sockets, which Laura points out. Good for the ladies. You've got in here your safe and a fridge, which come with a couple of waters. We've had a couple.
And they were complimentary.
They were complimentary and they were freezing. Next to the fridge, you've got drawers, which we didn't use, was only here one night. So we didn't use any of this. But there are two of them, quite spacious. Big area here and here, maybe for luggage. I don't even know what for.
Fit my suitcase.
Maybe if you had a baby, change your baby there.
Oh yeah, sure.
And then the bed, honestly, huge. It's actually massive. And it was the comfiest night's sleep.
It's so
Like she just sunk into it, look at it. Most beds we say are lovely, but this
was so good.
top of the table, this.
Yes.
It's amazing.
The planes.
We'll get to that in a sec. Bedside table, drawer, lights next to your bed, and obviously all the switches. So if you was in bed and you want to turn all the lights on or off, then you can. The TV was good, to be fair. Mm-hmm. And then you got a nice desk area. Everything you need. If you got a laptop, need to do some work, you got a phone there. Chair's very comfortable, bin under there. Other side of the bed, this one has two drawers. Fancy. Another phone. Again, light switches, all that stuff. And this, by the way, do the honours, please. And lean back. It reclines. And obviously, you can adjust this. This moves.
Oh yeah, you can.
Like so. Yeah, she hasn't done it very well. But it reclines. It's beautiful. I lay there last night watching TV. It was so comfy. And another table. And then this is our view. This is obviously just the inside of the hotel. You can tell it's quite new. Like, the decor they've done in this hotel is amazing. But then just over here is the runway. We just literally missed the plane.
So you should
landing.
See one in a minute.
Yeah, we'll wait a sec and show you one landing. But yeah, this was a nice little perk because we weren't expecting a runway view. And it's nice to see. I know trees are in the way and roads or whatever.
But it's still quite nice.
It is. We're going to switch that light off behind you. And then, because of the reflection. And then we'll see a plane land.
There you go.
There it is. American Airlines. You don't quite see it land.
But you can still see it.
You can kind of see it through the trees. But yeah, that was pretty cool when we woke up this morning. Opened the window, opened the blind, sorry. And seeing planes just fly by. But yeah, what a room.
Very nice.
I love this room. If you're flying from Terminal 5 at Heathrow, highly recommend staying at this hotel. The lobby, the restaurant.
Car rental right in reception.
It's a 2-minute walk. 2-minute walk from the terminal.
Mm-hmm. which
Yeah.
is good because we fly in 2 hours.
Oh, damn. That's how cute to go.
That's how cute.
Let's get out of it. If you like the look of this room, guys, please drop a like. Any questions about the hotel at all, then please drop a comment. And we'll see you at our next hotel.
Bye.